Hey guys, it's Albert Hairapetian from Arbitrage Real Estate Group. There's an obvious reason why I have a chef's hat on along with a chef's apron, and that is to remind you about the barbecue open house I'm having tomorrow right smack in the heart of Rossmoyne, Glendale. 1460 East Mountain Street has been owned by the same family for over half a century. For 55 plus years, the Freibergers, how coincidental if their last name is Freiberger, have hired me after 55 years of owning the same property to help them sell their property and find them the perfect buyers. Now, a little more about this property. 1460 East Mountain has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's got nothing short of character all throughout. Now, the cool thing about this property is that in addition to the 3-car garage, right above it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment that could be rented out. It's separately metered and it's permitted, and it could generate subsidized revenue. The property has character all throughout. It's right in the middle of Rossmoyne, right in the corner of Mountain, Royal, and Ethel. Come on by between the hours of 1 and 4 p.m. tomorrow for some of the juiciest hamburgers and hot dogs you'll ever experience. Thanks, and we'll see you tomorrow.